Today we will learn to create electricity text effect in Adobe Illustrator, so let's start. I have taken black background. Take the text tool and type electricity. Resize it and center align. Now go to the Appearance panel and add a fill, set its color to yellow. Add another fill and set its color also to yellow. Now to apply effect, click on the New Effect button and go to Pucker and Globe and set it to -21%. Again, click on the New Effect button and go to Roughen and set size to 3% relative, detail to 10 and points to smooth. The electricity text effect is ready. You can simply drag the appearance image and drop it to graphic styles to save this effect. Now you can apply it to any text. Make sure to like and subscribe for more like this.